Hi friends, how are you? I came up with something that may help you be able to identify your numbers. So we're going to make a number book, and in the number book we're going to have numbers 0 through 10. And if it's the number 1, we're going to put 1 piece of candy on the number. That way when you look at 1 and you count the piece of candy, you're going to know that's number 1. So let's get started. For this activity, you'll need candy, crayons, paper, or the worksheet for this activity. So I have the worksheet. If you don't have a printer to download the worksheet to print it out, you can write your own numbers. So this is how I'm going to do it. And I'm going to write number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. So you can do it both ways. So I'm going to start, and the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut out my numbers. I'm going to have my thumb in the little hole and my 2 fingers in the big hole, and when I cut, I have my thumb at the top and I cut. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is, this is number 1. This is the one I drew, and this is the one that comes from a ditto. So I'm going to show you how to do both. We only need 1 piece of candy. 1. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to put a big giant dot. Uh-oh. Cindy's glue is not coming out, and I don't know why, but sometimes it does that, so I apologize to you. There it goes. There's 1, and I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm going to take this one. 1, the number 1. So I need 1 piece of candy. I'm going to put it on and I'm going to hold it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? Then I'm going to take my next number. Anybody know what number this is? This is number 2. So I'm going to take my glue and I'm going to do 1, 2. And I'm going to count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, let's count. 1, 2. This is number 2. See? And you can practice writing it with your finger. Here's the next one, same number. So we know we need 1, 2. So let's do 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. number 2. 2 pieces of candy. The next number is 3, and we're going to do the same thing. We're going to do 1, 2, 3. So let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, here's the next number. This is number 3. So let's do it. So when you're looking at these and you forget what number it is, you can count the pieces of candy. And when you count the pieces of candy, that will help you remember what number it is. So this one, 1, 2, 3. So this is number 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So let's see. Let's practice. Who remembers what this number is? I don't remember what the number is. Let's count the candy. 1, 2. This is number 2. What number is this one? 1, 2, 3. This is number 3. When I'm all finished, what I'm going to do is, I can't do it now because it's wet, but I'm going to put my numbers in order. I'm going to do 1, 2, and 3, and I'm going to staple it together up to 10 and make a number book. But I have to let it dry. It's still wet right now. So let me see what your number book looks like. And I hope it looks like mine. All right, let's practice our numbers. 1. 1 piece of candy. 1. Let's count. 1, 2. 2 pieces of candy. 1, 2, 3. That's number 3. So once I get all my numbers together, I'm going to take my stapler and I'm going to staple it together. And then you can just practice your numbers. 1, 2. 1, 2, 3. Let me see your number book, but make sure you let it dry all the way before you try to glue them. Before you try to staple them together. Have a great day.